guy is from Dominican Republic. Oof, Trompowsky. Let's go with 94, c5. Aha, he goes with that line. I'll take it. I remember playing this against Gotham Chess a few years back, and I won all my games. But okay, I mean, it's relatively interesting attempt by them. This guy wants to play bishop to d3. Let's go knight c6 on bishop d3, queen d5. Not the happiest, because I see bishop d3, queen d5, knight g5. That's what I see for him. Okay, now I can breathe because I have queen h5. Yeah, now it's, I would say it's, you know what? I just grabbed the pawn and now I just have to defend myself. That's the opening. So I'm okay with this. And making short castle, now I'm happy with this. Knight d5, maybe b6 afterwards, followed by bishop b7. Threatening knight f3, of course, but he'll play bishop e2. Let's go h6, because when he plays bishop f4, he's gonna play bishop d6 if I play knight g6. Stupid. Oh, terrible move I played. Then let's go with tactics. Bishop d6. Let's sack that exchange. But if I play b6, he'll take. Knight f8, bishop f3, and I once again have problems. I don't know, let's go with this. I mean, I really have to play this terrible game. Okay, on bishop c5, b6, followed by bishop b7. I'll sack that and I'm happy to win this bishop and to start breathing in this game. Terribly played opening. Let's go on the diagonal to threaten something. Let's go here. I want to play this. How does Nakamura do these arrows and stuff? Oops! Wait a sec. Playing queen g6, huh? To play queen e4. He's gonna play queen c2. I played bishop b7. He moves the queen. I go bishop c6. I wanna play queen e4. Okay, I'm happy with the draw after terribly played opening. Something was wrong. In general, after Trompowsky, I believe the d5 second move is the best because it gives you solid game. If he takes so much time, he won't make draw. That's the... But he has... Okay, let's go with this. Let's go with this. I want to play knight f3. I'll take that pawn. Oh my goodness! He threatens to take, and I'm gonna meet him here. Let's go. Now he He's forcing the matters. I don't think he was supposed to do that because I have better chances in this game. Okay, I'll play g5. No, I'll play knight g6. He can't approach my king. Queen f4, queen g2, g5. Okay, he wanted to win against Big Mayo! Okay. Let's learn something out of these games. We gotta do a review. The game was bishop f4, so bishop g5, knight e4, bishop f4, c5. And then the guy went just with d5. Yeah, this is exactly how I played against Gotham Chess like 3 years ago, when I played my last Blitz games. Okay, I'm supposed to be fine here, and d3. I played e6. He captured. This is what I missed. So here I was supposed to take by queen. Really? Really? And what if knight f3? Really? I didn't know this one. So e6, queen e6, and yes, to do d5. And wait a second. What if he goes c4? Bishop e7, knight f3, I don't know, whatever. b6, knight c6 with a fast development. Big Mayo is gonna crush his opponents next time. Okay, thanks for watching this one.